Hello, my name is Armando Rios. I'm a student here at Usil of the Industrial Engineering career, and today I'll be answering some questions from Abel.
Yeah, hi Armando.
Hello.
Then, what are the causes of environmental pollution?
The causes of environmental pollution. Well, if we're talking about the contaminators themselves, I think that we should consider maybe the fumes, the residuals of companies and fabrics, the residuals of people themselves. That as a general idea. Yet, if we have to talk about the main cause, I think that the unawareness of people about how much damage does the lack of treatment of these contaminators do to the world, then that will be one of the main problems, right? That people do not understand how uh, can they affect the planet and therefore the other people by not uh, taking awareness of the contamination of the world.
Yeah, right. Which do you think are the most contaminated countries?
The most contaminated countries, well, I think that contamination is mainly produced by people. So if you can find a place where there's a lot of people, that will be a very contaminated place. Therefore, maybe India or China will be some of the most contaminated place. I even heard the news a couple of years ago that China was already one of the most contaminated countries in the world. So it seems that that's a very good logic.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Are the companies the main polluters of the environment?
I think that they take a big part in the contamination of the world, yes. Uh, for instance, they are the ones who throw the most residuals in forests and rivers and the ocean, right? Yet, I don't think that it will be accurate at this point to think that they are the only uh, polluters of the world. I think that people in general take big part in that by contaminating themselves or by doing nothing against the contamination that is being generated by these companies.
Yeah. What do you think could be the solution to reduce pollution?
As most of the solutions for most of the problems, I think that education is vital here in this problem. People need to be aware of not only what is the damage that is being done, but how to actually confront it. So what to do in order to reduce the contamination, what to do to recycle, what to do in order to reduce the consume of oil and gases, what to do with the garbage that they want to throw it out. So I think that the answer, the solution that will involve all these, all the solutions that we may find is education and awareness. Yes.
Yeah, understand too. In the future, how would you teach your children not to pollute the planet?
I think that I will start by teaching them how to recycle. I think that's a very good point of start, since most of the contamination that we do as citizens is through our garbage, through the things that we throw. So if I can teach them that the bottles that they use for their sodas, or the packs that comes with much of the food that they buy on the streets can be reused by recycle and can be recycled in some way, then they could grow awareness with time by themselves. So recycling, I think, is a good point of start for my children, not only now, not only in the future, but it could even be done now by most of people.
Yeah, thanks, Armando.
It's my pleasure.